Quick grammar exercises. Used to, didn't, used to. I used to live in America. I don't anymore. For something that happened regularly in the past, but no longer happens. I used to work 10 hours a day, but not anymore. We also use it for something that was true, but no longer is. There used to be a theater in town, but now there isn't. Used to, didn't used to. Let's try. Complete the sentences. Number 1. Monty, a guitar. Now he has a piano. What do you think? Monty used to have a guitar. 2. We see that Peter is happy lately. He so happy in the past. He didn't used to be so happy in the past. 3. When Sam was young, he football with his friends. When Sam was young, he used to play football with his friends. 4. A lot of rock music when I was younger. But now I do. I didn't used to listen to a lot of rock music when I was younger, but now I do. 5. During my childhood, I a lot of time playing with my friends. I used to spend a lot of time playing with my friends. Let's try. Complete the sentences. Number 6. Then and now. So we're going in the past, and now we're talking about now. Party every night. Party as a verb. Party. Like, I like to go, I like to party. It's kind of like I like to have a good time. Okay? I like to party with my friends. So, party every night. Party on special occasions. I used to, let's see, then. Party every night. Party on special occasions. I used to party every night. Now I party on special occasions. Number 7. Then smoke cigarettes. Now quit. I will make this sentence for you. I used to smoke cigarettes, but I quit. Good for you, right? Go for it. Number 8. Then not go hiking. Now hike a lot. Let's see if you can make that sentence. I didn't used to go hiking. Now I hike a lot. Good for you. It's a very, very healthy choice. Number 9. Then not drink Coca-Cola. Now drink Coca-Cola every day. I don't know about that one. I don't know if that's a good choice. I didn't used to drink Coca-Cola, and now I drink Coca-Cola every day. Good luck visiting the doctor. 10. Then a policeman, now retired. Retired means that you don't work anymore and hopefully you're getting the good benefits. A policeman and now retired. I used to be a policeman. Now I am retired, meaning that I don't work anymore and I'm receiving all of my benefits. Now let's go over the answers. This is to program your mind. This is to have these sentences sit in your head. I suggest to repeat it again and again until it sinks in. Number one, Monty used to have a guitar. Now he has a piano. 2. We see that Peter is happy lately. He didn't used to be so happy in the past. 3. When Sam was young, he used to play football with his friends. 4. I didn't used to listen to a lot of rock music when I was younger, but now I do. 5. During my childhood, I used to spend a lot of time playing with my friends. We use the word spend with a lot of different things. Spend money, spend time. Remember. 6. I used to party every night. Now I party on special occasions. Party here is used as a verb. 7. I used to smoke cigarettes, but I quit. Good for you. And if you have any advice for anyone that needs to quit, please let us know in the comments. Number 8. I didn't used to go hiking. Now I hike a lot. 9. I didn't used to drink Coca-Cola. Now I drink Coca-Cola every day. And notice even here, I say now I drink and I don't say now I am drinking because of every day. Every day means no ing, ever. Because if you put ing on the verb there, it's going to sound wrong to the ears. 10. I used to be a policeman and now I'm retired. So, thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this little lesson of exercises and practice with the answers. If you want to join group lessons, if you're from a company, if you have a friend, if you have someone that wants to learn English, come this way. I got groups and I collaborate a lot with different companies. So if you're from one, I would like to hear from you. Please inbox me and leave a comment and hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now and let me sign off.